Hello everyone, we are Team HackHIVE and this is our proof of concept for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our problem statement focuses on AI-based development of laser QR code marking on track fittings for Indian Railways. In this videos, we will walk you through the working prototype we have built and the innovations we have explored. Railway track fittings like clips, pads, and liners are critical components, but tracking them through their life cycle is huge challenge. Current method involve manual paperwork, limited traceability, and delayed detection of faulty batches. Our solution combines laser-based QR code marking with an AI-powered monitoring system. This ensures every fitting can be uniquely identified, scanned, and monitored throughout procurement, installation, and maintenance. We first developed a web application that allows user to scan QR codes, add new elements, and generate new QR codes. This app directly linked with the parts database, making it possible to fetch supplier, warranty, and inspection details instantly. We also built an AI-powered dashboard that generates health scores for each component, using anomaly detection and predictive analytics to highlight risks early. This can help railway staff make data-driven decisions and prevent failures. To bring our vision closer to reality, we designed a 3D model of a handheld fiber laser engraver. This is compact and portable, making it suitable for on-site marking. We also used Lightburn Pro and GRBL laser simulation software to demonstrate the engraving process. Here you can see how a QR code is engraved in real time on the surface of the component. This proves technical feasibility of our approach. Going beyond simulations, we have also started developing our own laser engraver. This gives us feasibility to optimize the design for rugged railway environments, dust, vibrations, and extreme climates. Our goal is to make the engraver shock resistant and capable of consistently producing high quality scannable QR codes. The complete workflow integrates seamlessly. QR codes are generated and engraved, scanned via mobile app, synced with Railway's UDM and TMS system, analyzed by our AI module for quality and anomaly detection. This is end-to-end system transforms track fittings management from manual, paper-heavy process into a fully digital and AI-driven pipeline. Our solution improves railway safety by quickly detecting defective batches, reduces paperwork and fraud, and saves crores in warranty disputes and maintenance cost. It is also scalable from railway to aviation, shipping, defense, and construction industries. With further development, we envision deploying this solution across 30 depots in next 5 years, capturing a significant share of this industrial marking market. This concludes our proof of concept demo. With our blend of AI, laser technology, and system integration, we believe our solution can reform asset traceability for Indian Railways and beyond. Thank you for watching.